Welcome to the first tutorial on this channel. This channel will provide you with all of the latest programming language tutorials and up-to-date content. So what we mostly focus on is programming, as what I have already stated, and software reviews. Also, we also cover on software tutorials and some small whatnots. Okay, first up, why do we create this video? Actually, we, but then the person who's talking to you is I. Okay, and why do I create this video is because we want to actually tell you what programs we're going to use to code, so that you will actually catch up pretty fast, instead of me getting messages such as how to download this, where to download this, how the heck will I, how to install this, how to install that. Okay, so to start out, first open up your web browser. Well, I recommend Mozilla Firefox. You want to use Internet Explorer, it's your problem. I don't really care. Okay, so we need to download two stuff. We are gonna code mostly in the Microsoft Visual Studio Express Edition package. So, well, I will give you a brief, in-depth brief go on what I'm gonna actually teach you in each and every programming language. Well, C-Hex and Visual Basic, I have two same goals. Okay, the goal of me to teach Visual Basic and C-Hex is to actually allow you to create programs which are interactive. So it's like those Windows Forms programs which are actually window. You know, when you open a normal program, you see a window. That's what I'm gonna concentrate on. Sorry. So, and you have a Visual C++, which I'm gonna teach only in CLI, since the GUI version you need to code it by hand. You don't have the so-called form designer to help you. And Visual Web Developer, we might be going through this. I don't know what is this anyway, but I got ESP, so I think it's the same thing, really. Yeah, you also might want to download the SQL server, so that you can actually learn more about databases, and you can code it. You can make your program access a database. Well, actually, the C-Hex and Visual Basic editions. Well, actually, I recommend you downloading the offline install, since all these installers are online, which means you have to have your internet connection after you've downloaded it from your browser. Well, this is all. This is not nearly all. We have some more little languages such as HTML. We need nothing. We don't need a single tool, and we need of course a web browser and a text editor. So we also code in PHP, which I just type here, x x a Apache Friends .org. Yeah, correct. So, and you click on the XAMPP link, and it will download XAMPP. Actually, it's AMPP, not X. Yep, it's actually X. A is Apache, M is MySQL, P is PHP, and otherwise Perl. So there are three different types: Linux, Windows, Mac, and Solaris. So just download the Windows version if you're using in Windows. Actually, most of my tutorials are really geared to Windows. Like as I see here, this Visual Studio, which is only Windows coding, except there's C++, which can be applied to many, I say again, many operating systems. Actually, some. So just download the XAMPP version, whichever your operating system is, and install it. Make sure you actually install it correctly, and sometimes it will actually give errors such as port is open already. That is because you have to close some things main culprit mostly is your web browser, since your web browser sometimes communicate in port 80. So just download this tool. For XAMPP, I recommend you downloading the zip file, since it's more easier for you to uninstall it instead of just going to inside the uninstaller, and sometimes it will corrupt if you actually mishandle during the installation itself. So this has been a short introduction by me, Syed, and I hope that you stay tuned for more in our channel. So just subscribe by clicking on the link on the left or on the right somewhere in this page. And if you have any questions or video tutorial request, please message me via YouTube until I get my auto messenger on my website set up. Thank you for listening. I'm Syed. Goodbye.